RRB Technician Science. 1. Which of the following is commonly used in making solar cells? A. Ruthenium. B. Polonium. C. Silicon. D. Selenium. Correct option is C. Silicon. 2. Which of the following devices is used to measure atmospheric pressure? A. Thermometer. B. Odometer. C. Tetrameter. D. Barometer. Correct option is D. Barometer. 3. Which chemical is used as food preservative? A. Sodium benzoate. B. Glycerin. C. Sodium carbonate. D. Tartaric acid. Correct option is A. Sodium benzoate. 4. DOTS is a treatment given to patients suffering from A. Polio. B. AIDS. C. Tuberculosis. D. Hepatitis. Correct option is C. Tuberculosis. 5. Which process takes place when we heat a solution of alum and then let the filtrate cool? A. Sublimation. B. Crystallization. C. Magnetic separation. D. None of these. Correct option is B. Crystallization. 6. Which of the following is a water-soluble vitamin? A. Vitamin D. B. Vitamin A. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin K. Correct option is C. Vitamin C. 7. Hormones secreting structure produced after ovulation is A. Corpus albicans. B. Corpus spongiosum. C. Corpus callosum. D. Corpus luteum. Correct option is D. Corpus luteum. 8. Plastids play a major role in which of the following life process? A. Photosynthesis. B. Circulation. C. Transpiration. D. Respiration. Correct option is A. Photosynthesis. 9. An ordinary magnet does not attract A. Iron. B. Nickel. C. Bronze. D. Steel. Correct option is C. Bronze. 10. The actual weight of a person is determined by his A. Mass and width. B. Mass. C. Mass and height. D. Mass and the acceleration due to gravity. Correct option is D. Mass and the acceleration due to gravity. 11. A. Fleming's right-hand rule. The thumb indicates the H. Direction of current flow. B. Direction of induced voltage. C. Direction of motion of conductor. D. Direction of magnetic field. Correct option is C. Direction of motion of conductor. 12. In a Fleming's right-hand rule, the thumb indicates the H. Direction of current flow. B. Direction of induced voltage. C. Direction of motion of conductor. D. Direction of magnetic field. Correct option is H. Direction of current flow. 13. In a Fleming's right-hand rule, the thumb indicates the H. Direction of current flow. B. Direction of induced voltage. C. Direction of motion of conductor. D. Direction of magnetic field. Correct option is B. Direction of induced voltage. 14. In a Fleming's right-hand rule, the thumb indicates the H. Direction of current flow. B. Direction of induced voltage. C. Direction of motion of conductor. D. Direction of magnetic field. Correct option is C. Direction of motion of conductor. Thanks for watching. Now subscribe, McQS Hub.